Welcome back, fellow designer. Daniel is here again, and in today's video we're going to take a look at the new Windows 11 update. Is it good for your next design project, or is it what you can use as a designer? Well, this video is going to be a quick one. We'll find out about that in this video. First, before we move forward, I would like you guys to please subscribe, like the video, and share for more awesome content. And yes, quickly, what we're going to be covering in this video is not how you can update or how you can do some technical work in your computer. So I will just share with you some tips, and first we will check how you can to know if your own computer is compatible with the new Windows 11, and as well I will tell you guys how you can do the update when it's ready for update. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright, so right now we are in the website of the Windows 11, and if you read and scroll through the whole website section, there's a video here that shows the features of the whole Windows 11 new update, and you get to see the features. You know, as a designer, I said we'll be rocking Glassmorphism, so you're gonna see Glassmorphism live in this Windows 11, which is pretty awesome because I love Glassmorphism and I've been implementing it as well in my own portfolio design. Alright, so the video is not playing for a reason, so I will leave a link to this website in the description so you can go through it. So first, let us see what are the requirements needed for the Windows 11 update. So as you can see right now, this is the minimum system requirement. Say your processor has to be 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more cores. So, and at least 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB or larger storage device. Then your system firmware has to be UEFI secure boot capable. Your graphics card, DirectX 12 compatible graphic display. Your internet connection. Wow, yeah. But the most important requirement for your system to be compatible with Windows 11 is this TPM, the Trusted Platform Module, which is required version is version 2. So, but for you to have this TPM platform module of version 2, that means your system has to be an upgraded laptop, at least maybe 2 or 3 years back. Yes, but if your system is maybe 5 years back or 6 years back, I'm sorry, you might not be able to use Windows 11. But if your system is 3 or 4 years back, yes, probably if you are running some using some machine like Dell, Lenovo, Acer, and some modern laptop of these days, you can probably update your TPM version to the 2.0. So guys, to check if your Windows is compatible, you will have to download this app, which is the PC Health Check app. To see, all you have to do is click on download. The app will download, run the installation, then you are good to go. But I already installed the app, so I will open it for you to see. Okay, so let's see if my own PC is compatible with the new Windows 11. I'm surprised, we'll be shocked. Okay, wait for it while I load. So if your PC is not compatible with the Windows 11, maybe due to the because of the TPM, there's a way to do that. So let's check. Checking. Wow, you see this PC can't run Windows 11. Why this PC doesn't meet the system requirement to run Windows 11? You will keep getting Windows 10 updates. I don't want that anymore. I need this new Windows. Alright, so guys, what am I going to do now? So definitely let me check for my TPM version, you can do that by clicking on your Windows button plus arrow, then you type tpm.msc. So if your TPM version is still maybe 1.2, then depends on your laptop manufacturer, you can easily update your BIOS, then you get the new version of the TPM. So as you can see right now, my TPM is version 1.2. so what I will have to do is I will have to upgrade my BIOS, then I will get a new version of the TPM since my laptop is available as well for that. So please, if you know you are not so sure, don't do it. I'm only advising you can check tutorial or ask your PC manufacturer if it's advisable or if it's good for you to upgrade your TPM version to the newest one that Windows 11 requires. So with that being said, if there's a chance that you click the check now and you get a congratulations message that you can use Windows 11 on your PC, then to update, all you have to do is click on your start menu and type on check updates. So when you click on check updates, then check for new updates. But what you need to qualify for the Windows 11 update is you need to have Windows 10 version 21H1 installed, which is currently right now for me, but I haven't done the installation yet. So you need to have this installed. Then when Windows 11 started rolling out the new update, then you will get the Windows 11 update. You can download and install the new update right from this very place. Although there are many tutorials out there that they will show you how you can install the new Windows 11 update. I will advise you keep calm. You can also get the best version without virus free, so don't rush it. When Windows started rolling out the update, and if your system is compatible, so you will get the update where so you can update and install the Windows 11 and you will rock it. I know I will make a research and I'm gonna I will update my BIOS to get a new TPM version and I will get it rolling and started. So guys, this is a quick video for you to know how the Windows 11 can go about. Yes, that brings me to the question, is it good for designer? Yes, it is, according to what I've read in a blog article here. So I'll also leave the links in the description so you can see for yourself. It has been said that the Windows 11 is faster than Windows 10 and the interface is quick, so you can easily tap in, you get what you need to make your workflow faster. Alright, so guys, this is a quick one. Thanks for sticking around, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like and share to your friends as well for more awesome content. So until the next one, before then, peace.